Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I forgot to film the intro for this video, so here I am filming it right now. But today's video is going to be pretty much me and Lem mobbing up to Easy Motorsports to go pick up his new J's Grill for his car. And we're also going to be installing it in this video. But I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and it could really help if you guys could leave a like, comment, or subscribe. But I guess that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Alright, we made it. Jeez. Hell yeah. It's sick as fuck, Lem. Hell yeah. Full J's coming soon.
J's coming soon.
Eat.
Like, Loki, I want to keep it in the box.
Oh no, fuck that. Just take it out the box. You literally just have all these foam protectors on the ends.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, that grill looks sick, dude.
It's fucking sick.
Hell yeah. Did a really good job painting it. Looks nice.
No, it's like super
They
smooth.
color sanded it too.
Dude, hell yeah.
Looks really good. Hell yeah.
Really
Can't wait to go back and install that, but we're gonna go to motherfucking Denny's right now.
What the fuck is up?
The fuck is... Oh, why am I on the driver's side? I'm not fucking driving.
Hey,
what the fuck is up, Denny's? It's 3 a.m. at a Denny's. I made it to motherfucking Denny's. Woo! Decided to come to LA Honda World to look at these 11 Gen, and we saw the SIT. It's pretty nice. But I wonder what you guys think about the new 11 Gen. Oh, you don't need to go this way.
This way.
You're good. But yeah, I just wanted to see what it looked like. But honestly, I really like them, and I see it being the new body style that everyone's eventually gonna like. It's just gonna be like the Type R, where everyone got used to it and then ended up liking it. But I honestly think it looks really good. But guys, comment down below what you guys think about it. Let's get do a pull. Show the fuel system. So I know it's another day now, but we're finally getting to it. We're going to be doing LEM'S J's Grill install today. So to start off, we do have to take the bumper off to install this, but we do need to take off all these top clips that follow along the bumper. And then there's also going to be 2 push tabs under each eyebrow of the bumper to be able to take the front bumper off. But then we also got the bottom clips as well, but we're going to get into that right now. You look into the holes, there's like this little tab that you just push in on both the front and the back.
It's never been up before.
Oh, yeah.
But
yeah, you literally just pull on it and then pull it out. And then that section of it comes out. And then now you do the bottom clips and the whole bumper should come off. On the OEM bumper, it's all the clips on the very outside, and then there's 4 screws on each side. And then after that, you pretty much just pull it out after you take that and those in the bottom. I'm pretty sure you just pull it out now. It's going to be a little hard if your bumper's never been taken off before. It'll take a little. The safe way to technically do it is to push the tab in. But most of the time, I just get away with.
I broke it.
Yeah, did you really?
This one of them. But yeah, you gotta be really careful. Because they will break.
Oh yeah, they're very easy to break, so.
Yeah.
After you pretty much push all those pins in, it's on each side where the headlight is. You literally just have, I had to lift it up, I think. You lift it up to pull it out of the hole. But that's the safe way of doing it so you don't break it. But most of the time they do break if you try yanking it. But here, you can take that off. But yeah, that's pretty much how you take out the front bumper, but you also do have to disconnect the fog lights as well. Be able to fall right out. Yep. So it's just bottom clips, the side screws, and the top clips, and eyebrows. But that's how you take out the front bumper. Now we're going to get into modifying the front grille to be able to fit the J's Grill. There's a bunch of like these small clips that you got to push up on and pull to be able to remove the grill, but we also have to remove a bunch of Phillips head screws on the back side at least. But these are very easy to break, so be very careful. Nice. Okay, now with the bottom ones. There's a bunch of like clips on this thing. So you gotta take off.
Close to Phillips.
Yeah. I'm not. Nice.
Cool.
Nice. That's taking the front grill off. That was super easy.
That's super easy.
But you wanna go grab the J's one now?
Yeah.
Cool.
You gotta separate the brows though, but.
Oh yeah, I'll figure that out while you're up there. I do remember the brow being kind of hard to take off.
I broke it one time.
Oh, nice.
I like how in this video it's just like I broke it.
I know, Lem broke what?
What
What did he break this time? Oh, nice. But yeah, that's pretty much how you take it out. So right here, you pretty much want to put it in here and pry this out like that so it can pull, it gets off the lip of the eyelid. So that. So you pretty much pull up on this to be able to release that to get the eyebrows off without damaging it, because last time I did this, we actually ruined these. So thankfully we got Master Tech Lem here helping, or doing his car, I guess. But that's how you take those off. And then I do believe we have to cut this middle section of the grill off to be able to put the J's Grill. But yeah, this is the new grill. Looks sick. Hell yeah.
Hey, you know we only rep those real parts out here. We got the J's Racing right here. Hell yeah. Nice. All done.
You're done.
You're done.
You're done.
Ka-chow. Oh wait, we even need to cut it. No, I'm kidding. You do need to cut it. Nice. Sick. Fitment's a little sus on the top. Right
Yeah,
here.
you still could have screwed in, so.
No, it's pretty far. On the top then?
Yeah?
Yeah, but we can probably mod it to fit. It's over here, it's this side that fits a little weird. There's a little bit of a gap. Alright, so the J's grill was on. That was actually super easy to do, honestly.
Yeah.
But literally it's just held on with a bunch of screws in the OEM places. Like literally like right there and all around. But they're all held on with these clips that you slide on and screw on. But now the bumper's ready to go on and we can finally finish this install.
Yeah. Easy.
It's not going in. Fuck, it isn't go in. Oh, I know what we got them on. Look, the plastic shroud's hitting it.
Oh, I take it off.
Yeah. You have to modify the OEM plastic shroud to be able to fit the grill. I noticed it was pressing against the grill, so I guess you do have to cut those off. Yeet. It's good. Nice.
So there's like a
Yep.
right there. It looks pretty good.
So, that's the J's grill I'm pretty much on all the way.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Oh yeah, dude.
So pretty much that was us picking up the J's grill over at Easy Motorsports. They were really cool over there. But they also got it painted for LEM'S, so you got that on the car. But honestly, it was a very easy install. Just got to do a little bit of modification. But it being aftermarket, it isn't going to fit 100%. But that's pretty much the grill install for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It would really help if you guys could leave a like, comment, or subscribe. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you all in the next one.